Hello my friends, welcome to Inside Out Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha, and today we are going to take a look what's inside of these guys. Why would I be interested to know what's inside the headphones, right? So first of all, I would like to see what kind of wiring is inside. So because this little connector is 4 pins, so I would like to make sure that it is wired, like 2 pins wired here and 2 pins wired here, giving a possibility of running these guys as a balanced headphones. Also, I would like to see what the quality of wiring and actually how the speakers themselves or drivers themselves look like. So I think we have to start by removing those earpods. So it's not really obvious how do you remove these guys. It's like some I've actually tried this before. I want to rip this off as well. Damn. Okay. Do I need tools? Never done this before, guys, sorry. If you know how to do this easily, please comment below, because I'm honestly... Oh, I see. I see, you need to start somewhere, right? I guess. Is it from inside or from outside? No, from inside. Okay. Now I understand. Okay. So it has this edge over here, which actually clamps over this. It's not really hard to see. Around this, you see this ring? Yeah, right here. So now I have to do the same on this side. And okay, that's probably easier to do from this. And I'm doing it right? Oh man, it's so much easier. Like in some other headphones, they have just a little kind of screws, and you just unscrew them and that's it. And here I have to apply some pressure, which I know. Oh man, look at this. It's chewed up anyways. I just... Okay, yeah, not gonna attack it from this. Have to attack it from here. Oh, wow, that's tough. Man. So when you love your headphones, you do wanna, you would like to avoid this sort of... Why these are... It's marked, you know. Is it important, left or right? I don't know. Look at this holographic thingy. It's like genuine Sennheiser. Of course, it's made in China. Okay, they don't have much of a rotation here, right? So yeah, I won't be able to twist them too much, but anyways. Okay, so now we have screws. We have 3 screws on this side and 3 screws on the other side. And those are Phillips screws. We take our Phillips screwdriver and we're gonna unphillip. That's too small apparently. Let's take this Phillips screwdriver. Yeah, that's better. Oh, that was easy. Okay, here we go, number 1. What are those pads here? And here we go, let's do number 2. Okay, I just remove screws because they will be interfering here. Screws go here. Okay. Oopsies. Yeah, it's really bit awkward to work with those because they are, you know, doesn't really have much of a freedom, but something like this. Okay, so we have 2 drivers, left and right, or right and left, and few things I would like to test right away. Actually, maybe. Hey, let me see something more here. Okay, that's definitely a different screwdriver. I actually would like to take this apart as well. Let me just pull this out. Huh. Okay. Looks like I need finer screwdriver than that. Okay, let's take some finer screwdriver. Okay, that's better. That's gonna give me the access to the oh, those are tiny wires. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna detach the drivers from the no, I won't be able to detach, I just realized. Well, at least somewhat. Unless it's glued or something. Probably this. So what I would like to do, I'm actually trying to remove the. Oh, I did. Okay, here we are. Well, yeah, a little bit freed, but not. All right. In order to help myself figure out the pin out, I have this 2.5 TRSS connector, and so here I'm drawing it. Right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I'm not sure what's the numbering, but at least position is corresponding to this connector. I have to, like, I think, plug it properly. Let's just turn it around. Hope not gonna be mangling this thing too much. You see, that'll be hard to probe. Well, anyways, let's start from the sleeve. Sorry, from the furthest. So I guess this goes here. It's L plus. Okay, L, is it left? I don't even know. Where do you see, is it left or right? Usually there is a oh, left, yes, correct. So this guy, which is gonna go through, you know, everything. So this is a smaller one, there is like this and like this and like this. You're gonna just draw this as well. This is L plus and this is L plus. So it's essentially this contact goes all the way through, right? Okay, so next one is this pin. Definitely not. R plus. Oh my god, this is I need to come up with some kind of proper solution for this. It's really hard. Okay. R plus, almost 0 ohms. So this guy is next one, R plus. So L plus, R plus. So R plus. Okay. Okay, go next. Let's go next. So this is ring number 2. Okay, so this is L minus. L minus, so this guy is L minus, and obviously a sleeve or S is R minus. This one is R minus. Okay, so this is what we got. Oh wow, that's really washed out. So this is what we got. This is what kind of pinout is on that contact right here in your Sennheisers. Here is this on this side of the headphones, right? So if you are planning to connect anything which is balanced, you have to use this pinout. So this is essentially was the goal of my video, to figure out the pinout of this contact. I guess I might have wrapped up at this point. I might be, but let me think. Maybe I need gather a little bit more information. By the way, once in the forums, I was asking people, you know, how to connect these headphones to balanced, and someone suggested don't bother yada yada, but make sure you are replacing these guys with 16 gauge silver plated or silver wires. So if you are guys into the audio stuff, can you please explain me, first of all, why do I need thicker? Secondly, why do I need silver plated wires, especially silver plated? Okay, I understand thicker because if you apply voltage, it's gonna be resistance, so lower resistance is gonna be good. Let me like, what kind of resistance, what is resistance of this wire? Like, let me measure it from this point. Really? 0.3 ohms gonna make a difference? Probably this not gonna make a difference. What's gonna make a difference is 2 meters of your main headphones wires. Yeah, if better, lower resistance is better, obviously. Alright guys, I think we're gonna wrap up here. The main goal of figuring out the pinout is achieved, and everything else, I'm not gonna do any upgrades. Actually, kind of thinking, did anyone try to convert these guys into closed back? Yeah, I'm not sure if it's even needed to be, but it's very easy to actually 3D print some kind of insert right here and completely cover this up. But it's some probably crazy ideas for some other time. So guys, I'm gonna assemble this little guy back in its original shape, but I think we're gonna finish here. If you guys like my videos, please like. I'm gonna happy to hear anything, any comments from you. Please subscribe, ring the bell. Thank you for watching and see you next time.